Darling, you send me, I know you.
Así de nuevo. Así de nuevo. Así de nuevo. Nuevo Ford Taunus 81. Así de nuevo.
Introducing Sure Shot Football from Ideal. Press the player control for the unique kicking action. It happens so fast you missed it. Let's watch the replay. Sure Shot Football. It's ideal.
There's the place, Watson. Come along.
The four-cylinder Cortina Holmes, the GL model?
Precisely. This one has a super value pack made up of alloy road wheels, stereo cassette player, crushed velour cloth seat trim, distinctive striping at no extra cost.
Astounding!
Elementary. Ford built a limited number of selectively equipped Cortina 4s. This sticker means you get the super value pack, valued around $550.
At no extra cost.
Hey, I've got a new rally.
Ray!
Hello, I've got a new rally.
Yes, it's got style.
I've got a new rally.
I ride rally for a living.
Lowell's got a new rally.
Poised confidently above the hustle and bustle of everyday motoring are the 1982 model Ford Cortinas. They're as solid as a rock, as reliable as time, as comfortable as your favorite armchair. And with more equipment than ever before, they've got success written all over them. Well, written on the boot to be more precise. The 1982 Ford Cortina, more than ever, a car above comparison.
Hayır, yerli, yeni bir Taunus. Tahminlerinizin çok ötesinde.